Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to download and install the Google Drive application for your mobile device. So first of all, open the Google Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar on the top and there you type in Google Drive. Tap on search. You will have this Google Drive search result on the top. So basically Google Drive is a built-in application on Android mobiles. So all that you will have is the option to update the application. So tap on update, as the Google Drive application is built-in application in your phone device. You will not have to download the application. And with that, the Google Drive application is downloaded. You tap on open and will be able to use the latest updated version of Google Drive. So this is how you can download and install Google Drive. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.